BN. Rewrite content following SEO standards. When the original Doctor's Book of Home Remedies, published in 1990, it became the cornerstone of the oldest and arguably the most successful franchise in the history of Rodale books. 20 years, 10 spin-offs, and millions of copies later, the Doctor's Book remains as popular as ever. It's easy to understand why home remedies are inexpensive, effective, and ideal for everyday ailments that don't require hands-on medical care, as well as for chronic conditions that can benefit from ancillary therapies. This newly expanded and updated edition delivers the sensible, trustworthy advice that readers have come to expect from the Doctor's Book brand. But this volume is more comprehensive, more authoritative, and more accessible than ever, presenting all new remedies for more than 200 conditions culled from interviews with hundreds of physicians and other healthcare professionals. Readers will discover how rubbing aspirin over an insect bite can stop swelling, how table sugar can help heal a minor cut, how soaking their feet in tea can reduce odor, how a mix of bananas and avocado can moisturize dry hair, how sipping soda that's gone flat can quiet a queasy stomach, and much more, packed from cover to cover with reliable, user-friendly tips and techniques. The Doctor's Book of Home Remedies, by the editors of Prevention, is like having a physician on call 24/7.